The YouTube algorithm is broke. I'm convinced of it, and you cannot convince me otherwise. Because in the last 6 months, I have been on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, and my results are vastly different. For instance, Facebook, I currently have 13,000 followers. The video I posted yesterday has 18,000 views. TikTok, I have 40,000 viewers. And the same video I posted up there got 57,000 views. And YouTube, I've got 202 subscribers, and the video I posted yesterday got, 2 views. I post a video on Facebook or TikTok, I put a couple hashtags, and boom, it's gone. I have a great following on both of those platforms. YouTube, I have put tags, I put, hashtags. I have revamped my whole setup for my page umpteen times. I've done so much SEO, I feel like I'm an expert. It's in my heading, it's in my title, it's in my tags, it's in my hashtags. I title my videos so that they follow under the SEO. I've watched more videos on YouTube teaching you how to do a YouTube channel than I ever had to do anything for TikTok and Facebook. So as far as I'm concerned, the algorithm is crap. And I want you to convince me otherwise, because I'm just getting fed up with YouTube. That's where I'm at.